unofficial method. Understand what I'm saying? Out of x and y, one having power 1, other having power 2. So if I'm saying the quantity which is power 1, let us suppose he is poor. Power wise he is poor, not money wise. Power wise he is poor. And the quantity which has power 2, so power wise he is rich. So power 1 is a poor in terms of power, and power 2 is rich in terms of power. So इसका शेप कैसा आता है? एक बाउल जैसे शेप आता है. आपने ध्यान दिया क्या? Are you getting? अच्छा, ये बाउल किसको मिलता है? जो पुअर होता है कि रिच होता है? बाउल उसको मिलता है जो पुअर होता है. तो रिमेंबर दिस वन, गलती नहीं होगी. ये जो बाउल जैसा स्ट्रक्चर होता है ना, वो किस एक्सेस की तरफ जाएगा? जिसकी पावर 1 हो. हमेशा याद रखना, ये बाउल जैसा स्ट्रक्चर जो दिख रहा है ना आपको, ये किसकी तरफ जाएगा? जिसकी पावर 1 होगी. जैसे y की पावर 1 था, बाउल y की तरफ गया. x की पावर 1 था, बाउल x की तरफ गया. तो इसका मतलब ये बाउल जैसा जो शेप आता है पैराबोला का, वो किसके डायरेक्शन में अलाइनमेंट होता है उसका? इसकी पावर क्या होती है? 1 होती है. यू गॉट दिस वन? ये बात समझ में आई?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, ओके. टेल मी वन एग्जांपल. आई एम टेकिंग वन एग्जांपल. टेल मी द ग्राफ. या जस्ट वेट. Okay. Now, suppose I am taking, let's say S is equal to UT plus half AT square. You know this equation? You can
Yes,
say
sir.
it's a second kinematical equation. Kinematical equation. Equation of motion. Suppose I am taking, let S for displacement, U for initial velocity, T for time, A for acceleration, half is number, T is time. Okay. Let's say initial velocity is 0. Let's say initial velocity is 0. Then displacement is equal to half AT square. If teacher will ask you, tell me what a graph, what type of graph will come between time and displacement. This is time and displacement. तो आप क्या बताओ कि सर इसकी पावर तो 1 है और इसकी पावर 1 आ रही है और टाइम की पावर 2 आ रही है, तो फिर ये ग्राफ कैसा बनेगा? जस्ट मिनट, एक मिनट नाली बेटा. ग्राफ कैसा बनेगा?
Towards it.
पैराबोला. बट ग्राफ किसको मिलेगा? पावर 1 किसकी है? It is similar to y. It is similar to y is equal to x square. It is similar to y is equal to x square. So graph will come down like this way. मैंने लेफ्ट की तरफ डॉट से क्यों बनाया है? Why? मैंने कल बताया था, मैंने लेफ्ट की तरफ डॉट से क्यों बनाया है? Why? सॉलिड से क्यों नहीं बनाया? Why?
Time is always positive.
Time is always positive. Time कभी नेगेटिव नहीं होता बेटा. Remember, time never be negative. Time कभी माइनस नहीं होता. टाइम हमेशा पॉजिटिव होता है. अच्छा, मैं एक एग्जांपल और बताता हूँ, वो बताना था. ठीक है? आई एम टेकिंग वन मोर एग्जांपल. V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. It's a third equation of motion. Third equation of motion. Third equation of motion. ग्राफ किधर आएगा?
towards S.
Towards S.
Yes, because power is 1 here. Because here power is 1. Are you getting this one? In this way, you can plot it. Pop it on this one. So let me just start to understand this one. Pop it on this one. So power 1, power 2 is a parabola. Remember, power 1, power 2 is a parabola. Pop it on this one.
Done, sir.
For the second one. Can I scroll it? Third and
Yes,
the
sir.
third and the fourth one.
Third.
Third and the fourth one, huh? Okay. You can say y square is equal to x. और x is equal to एक ही बात है. Remember, ball will go on that side which has a small power over it.
Done, sir.
What is hyperbole? Can I scroll it once you complete? Yes, done, boys and girls.
Yes, sir.
So now, what is hyperbola? Hyperbola is just like I'm taking equation, just here one equation. Okay, let's say I'm taking y into x square is always constant. So y is equal to constant upon x square. It means y is inversely proportional to x square. If such type of equation will come in physics, then it's a hyper. It's called hyperbola. So what a graph if it is? Just guess it. If x increases, then what happened to y? If x will increase, then what happened to y? It's inversely proportional. You know in mathematics, inversely proportional. If x will increase, then what happened to y? If x increases, then what will happen? If x increases, then what will happen to y? Yes, boys and girls. क्या हुआ? नहीं समझ में आ रहा है? Y is inversely proportional ना बेटा? Inversely proportional में क्या होता है? Yes.
So decreases.
Decreases. संग्राम. ठीक है? Then what happened? Yes. क्या हुआ तुम लोग को? कशिश, कुणाल, निधि, ओम क्या हो रहा है? समझ में आ रहा है क्या? पलक. अच्छा जिसको रिकॉर्डिंग वगैरह चाहिए मुझे पर्सनली हेलो बोलना तो मैं भेज दूंगा आपको. ठीक है? यामिनी, if x increases, y decreases, and vice versa.
Yes,
And
sir.
yeah, you are getting now a little bit. You are able to understand something.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If x will increase, y will decrease. ठीक है? Because it is inversely proportional. So you can say how the graph will be. If x increases, y decreases. Are you getting this graph? Why the graph like this way? If x will increase, y will decrease.
Yeah.
Okay, let's say I'm taking one example. Let's say I'm taking one example. You know gravitational force? Gravitational force is what? Gravitational force F is equal to G m1 m2 upon R square. It means force is inversely proportional to what? R square. So basically it's a hyperbola, na? It's a hyperbola. You can say, sir, if R will increase, if I want to draw a graph between force and distance, R is stand for distance, no? Just here, I'm taking this here. Suppose if there are two masses, m1, m2, and the distance between them is, let's say, R. So these two masses, they will attract each other, no? They will attract each other. So force inversely proportional. The graph tells what? If R will increase, so force will decrease. If R will increase, force will decrease. Yeah, inversely proportional it is. Basically, it's an inversely proportional. Graph will decrease. Are you getting this one? Hyperbola. Open this
Yes,
hyperbola first.
Yes.
Yeah, done. You see the example part?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, today I'm just stopping the meeting here only. I will continue in the next lecture. Okay, just I'm going little bit slow because it's a little bit maths and most of the students are non-maths. So I'm giving you time to read it. Okay, I will, anybody want recording, just inform me, I will send you recording. Okay, just complete and exit, beta. We will meet tomorrow.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Thank you. Bye bye.
thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.